Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to import data from one Google Sheet to another. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. So our task is to import data from one workbook to another. You can do this manually by simply copying and pasting data from one workbook to another, or you can use the special import range function. Let's say in this workbook we are interested in data in the range from B2 to C10. We go to the address bar, left click once, then right click and select copy. Now select the first workbook and enter the import range function in any cell. Open the quotation marks, enter the copied URL address and close the quotation marks. We enter a comma and now we also write in quotation marks the range we need from B2 to C10 and press enter. We wait a few seconds. A window appears in which we need to allow the connection between two workbooks once, that is, click allow access. And as you can see, all the data from the second workbook is imported into the first one. If you need to import the entire sheet, then slightly change the formula, namely enter the maximum range of data from A1 to Z and press enter. And as you can see, all the data is imported from the second workbook into the first one. Great, but this way we were able to import only the first sheet. What if we need data from the second sheet of the second workbook? We return to the first workbook, select a cell, we do the same thing, enter the function, URL address, only this time in quotation marks. In addition to the data range, we also need to specify the name of the second sheet of the second workbook, that is, second. Everything is typed, press enter. And as you can see, this time we got the data from the second sheet. This method is very convenient because if you go to the original workbook and change the data there, they will automatically change in the new workbook. Cool? That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.